Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at 5 different setup hacks which you can implement into your setup to make it a bit cooler. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Now the first product on our list today is the Fifine Mic. Since everything is online, having good audio quality is definitely really important now more than ever. So here's a quick test of what it sounds like. So as you can see right now, I'm talking through the Fifine Mic, and I will say that it is pretty fine. But aside from that, this was the microphone that I used to use all the time to record all my videos, and I love it personally. As you can see, for the price, you really can't go wrong, and it does the job really well. Now the second item on our list today is a mouse, and the reason I chose this mouse in particular is because it is a feature which not many other mice have, and that's the ability to be fully silent. The Logitech M330 Silent Edition is honestly super duper quiet, and if you're in a place where you don't want to make many noise because you're working around with other people, this mouse definitely is a good pickup. Take a listen at how quiet this mouse is, and even if you can hear it. Now the third item on our list is a pretty simplistic one, and that's just a headphone stand. Now we picked this one up from a company called Lamical, and my first impressions of it was that it honestly looks like a bicycle seat. Here's a picture of a bicycle seat, here's a picture of the headphone stand. They almost look the same. But I will say, after getting the product in person and looking at it, it is a lot better than what the pictures online show it as. When it came to the build quality of the headphone stand, I was expecting just an all plastic build, but I was surprised that the body was aluminum and that the stand itself had rubberized feet and was really sturdy. Good thing to have. Now the fourth product on our list is the keyboard, which you can see on screen right now. And this keyboard is the ACO 3068. And the reason I chose this keyboard is because just look at it. It is so retro and it just looks very clean on any setup. Now the one that we have is configured with red switches, but you can have the option to have blue, red, brown, or black. There is unfortunately no RGB on this keyboard, but then again, if you want more of a minimalist one, this is definitely a good pickup. Now this keyboard is wired, so you're gonna have to connect it using a cable, but thankfully it's a USB Type-C cable. I was very happy to see that ACO did this. Now another cool thing about this keyboard is that it does come with interchangeable keycaps, just in case you wanna spice it up a bit and change the colors. Now the last item on our list today is magnetic charging cables. And the reason I chose this is because I saw these on Amazon and I've seen them in different places and I was really curious to give them a try. I bought a pair and I have to say, I love it. It is very easy to use and it's just really nice and convenient to have at my desk anytime. Let's say I want to take my phone, I easily just, because it's magnetic, just plop it off and plop it back whenever I want to have it there. One downside though that I will say is that if you do have one of the newer iPhones and you don't have an audio jack, obviously, then you won't be able to listen to music if you're using wired earbuds and have this charge at the same time. But aside from that, I got mine for $12, came with a 3-pack and 9 different tips, micro USB, USB Type-C, and Lightning. So it's a really good bargain buy in my opinion, because retail stores sell just one charging cable for upwards of $20. With that being said, if you're interested in picking up any of the products that were mentioned in the video, the links to those will be in the description below. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.